Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel J Design Solution. Today we learn about the robotic gripper of wedge mechanism. I show you how to work this mechanism, gripper mechanism, using a wedge block. There are two wedge block and there are gripper. Okay, now you can drag and check it how this is work. Now we will make first part, main body of wedge mechanism. So set working directory. Okay, new part name rg underscore main body. Okay, select template. Okay, now make a first part using a this is a part of main body. Now you can draw it. Model, extrude, select a front plane, sketch view and draw. This is body diagram. Center line, given the dimension 160, height will be 120, offset of 20, offset minus 20, minus 20, minus 20 and 50. Reference dimension. Next, okay, thickness will be 22 or 30 mm, 30 and symmetric. Next, okay, now change the view and cut this portion. Extrude, sketch view, reference, middle plane and other one. Now draw this section view. Line, mirror, center line, mirror, one six, 22, 6.5, 7, total height will be 70. Close entity, Okay. Flip direction, remove material to all. Okay. Now add the chamfer. Twenty and 10. Set, new set, select this edge and this edge. 10 mm. Okay. Your first body part, it's ready. Round. .5 mm. One mm. Okay. Hold 60 mm at a center. So select plane, extrude, reference, circle, diameter 16. Okay. Flip direction, remove material up to selected surface. Okay. Now your main body part is ready. Thank you for watching. You can like and share it.